Looks like we're white. Gonna do some 4/4s. He can do Sanrense, he can approach, he can 3/3. Okay. Seems to be popular. Or more popular than it used to be anyway. He kicks. I don't think I've ever seen the kick with a Sanrense because it feels like it kind of ruins the Sanrense. Like, yeah, if he kicks again like this is not Sanrense anymore. It's almost like a bow and arrow. But yeah, this is still invadable, but I don't even need to invade because I can develop this side over here, and he doesn't really have any more potential. Something I think I'll try is just make my own Sanrense, because yeah, when he does stuff like this, I can just counter pincer, and I'm building as I'm fighting, and all I have to do is run away, or I could even just play something over here and build this side. And I think we'll go ahead and try that one. So I think my side is probably bigger, and he can't really capture this in one move. Okay, so he invades here. Because I have the outside stones, I'm going to try and take the center and just connect solidly. Yep, and just connect to my stone here. He can take the corner if he wants. That's definitely too small. So now that I have stones here and everywhere, I think it's time for me to run this out. I'm not sure exactly how I want to run it out, but simply jumping seems like that can't be bad. He's gonna peep because I guess he's gonna try and kill me. Not sure why this one. I'm just gonna turn here and Hane. I don't think I have to worry about a cut, and I'm just gonna keep pushing and keep pushing because I'm building this side, and keep pushing and push. Okay, at this point, I think I'll play something. God, I'm so tempted. I can also just keep pushing. Yeah, let's keep pushing. And now I can do something like this, but then he turns here. Feels like I have to connect. He jumps in. So I think we're just going to have to keep pushing. Okay, he does take. I think I'll Atari once, so if he goes here, I can play here. Otherwise, when he Hane's here, I can only Hane back, and he can do something to get a little bit extra here. And yeah, we'll just continue to build our center. He can have that stone if he wants. I think I'll attach here. His corner is quite weak, and he does that one. So confused. If he's gonna push here, it feels like you have to cut. But yeah, I'm just gonna connect. Yeah, I'll just connect solidly. So he jumps in. Okay. Don't want him to get a base too easily, so I think I'm gonna kick and jump high and try to take his base away and turn because he can't really connect here, I don't think. And yeah, I'll just surround him. Even if he lives here, it's okay. I just will play here. Now this one seems like a mistake. It feels like he had to play here, and then there's a ko. So I'll just push here. Then, what do I want to do? I think I'll just go down, see what he does. Okay, so he goes there. I think I'll just Hane, because I believe he already lives here. Connect. Then he goes here. Okay, I probably could have done something better here, but it should be okay. I get Sente, and then now I can complete my center. Yeah. Okay. He has to be a little bit careful here. So I can turn here and Atari. So now he can't really push here in Sente, so this weakness doesn't seem like that big of an issue. And now, now it's just in game. I think I can attach here. Yeah, I'll attach here, see what he does. Yeah, we'll play this one. And then I can play this one, aiming at the jumping in. He defends, and now I can play this one. I wonder how many times I can say this one. Okay, so he defends. We'll aim at a monkey jump over here, which is quite big. And I think we can even invade here, but it seems a bit risky, so I think we'll just reduce instead. And block. So we make a few more points here. We're kind of reducing his area. He jumps in. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we'll just let him peep everywhere. And turn here, just defending our main area. And yeah, I'll just block here. And he's still not quite alive. I can at least push here and get a Ko. Here I can Hane connect. He has to add a move here. Okay, so he lives there. That's fine. I think I'll just block here, make the connection between this better. If he just protects against the cut, I can now play some more in-game. Play this Atari, fixing my weak points. And attach here. Because there's still some Aji with moves around here. Yep, just block everything. And here. More in-game. Okay, yep, that's in-game. This feels like the last one. And this one. This one didn't really give him any points, I don't think. So I'm surprised he didn't play over here. He connects under, that's a point. And I think that's pretty much it. Just Dame. Not sure if there was much to learn or say, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Okay, not sure why he played there. He was already dead. So I can request counting. Very surprised he didn't just like jump in and try and invade here. But yeah, I win by about 15 points. Okay, well, I'd like to thank my Patreons and very much appreciated. And I'll see you all next time.